how to set a schedule time for notification summary on the iPhone. So first, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we go down and tap on Notifications. In here, go down and tap on Schedule, Summary. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then we go down and you can change the time for the first summary, the second summary, and so on. So let's say we want to change the time for the first summary. You tap on it. Here we can set the phone to send out the first notification badge at 7 a.m. And then the second one can be, say, 12 p.m. So in the afternoon. So p.m. and another one at 6. So we'll tap on Add Summary, and here we'll set another one at 6. So throughout the days, we want to have our phone send out the notification summary 3 times per day. One at 7, 12, and 6 p.m. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.